In this video, I will show you how to list an existing product on Noon catalog. Navigate to your left-hand side and click on Catalog, where you can click on Noon Catalog to search for existing products in Noon database. Here you can search for the product by its name, its barcode, or by the Noon SKU if you know it. For example, I would like to search for an LED ring light, and when I search for it, I will see various kinds of LED ring light products, and if I find the product that I would like to sell, I can simply click on this product to add to my catalog. You will be redirected to the product add page, where you have to first determine the product SKU. The product SKU is a name that is assigned to your products by yourself in order to identify them with a small code. This product SKU is not shown to the customer, and its only purpose is easy identification of the product by the seller. Usually I like to use the product's model name or the model number as its SKU. Click on Create, which will navigate you to the additional information page, where you have to first activate the product and set a price. Under the price field, you will find two additional information which shows the maximum and minimum price allowed to be sold on Noon.com. And what is the current marketplace highest and lowest price offered by other sellers for this product. In case you would like to sell a product for a lower price or a higher price than the Noon SKU price minimum maximum range, you can click on the form next to it and submit a request to alter this range to Noon.com. Next, click on the warehouse field and select which warehouse location this product is located in the case of FBP products. Here you can declare the number of units you would like to show in stock and the processing time. If your products are fulfilled by Noon, then you don't have to select the warehouse, as the warehouse is automatically assigned by Noon fulfillment centers. On Noon.com, every product has to have a partner barcode, and this is the barcode which should be printed and put on the product before sending it to the customer. This partner barcode could either be the UPC code that comes on the product, or in case you don't have a UPC, you can use the product SKU as the barcode, while making sure that it should not contain any lowercase alphabets or special characters. It is very important for you to know that your products can only be accepted by Noon associates for fulfillment only and only if your product has a partner barcode on it to be scanned. If the partner barcode is not present on the product, it will be rejected and cannot be fulfilled by Noon. Next, we will set the product warranty, if any, and then put an offer note that will be visible to the customer. For example, I would like to display a disclaimer about the product return policies. You can also write professional offer notes such as limited time offer only, or some kind of professional product related statement. When you are done, click on the Save Changes on the top right of the page and then click on Submit. Sometimes it takes 10 to 15 minutes for the product to become live on Noon. So here's an example of another product that I have for sale on Noon.com. And if you would like to see this product listing, click on View on Marketplace and select Noon.com. You can see all the details that you have just configured, such as the offer note, the sale price, and the number of units available, and the product warranty.